a Barbie earthquake. Huh? I guess I'm just gonna go to sleep and see what happens tomorrow. And she did. And it took a while. And at midnight, she's falling asleep with the TV on. Then something happened. There was a rumble, and a rumble, and a rumble, and a big rumble. And she didn't feel it at all. And then she woke up. Whoa, what happened? Mom! Mom! And she walks over. And this is what she sees. Mom, you're dead! What happened? Oh my God. I guess there's an earthquake and she died. Oh, Mom, I miss you. And she just lived on and on. Bye, guys, and see you in the next video.